Welcome to the Shahed drone factory. Inside these walls, the world's most feared attack drones take shape. Raw emerging Disela, Einsteins how we build the future of defense. Watch closely.
قطر در نقطه اول نقطه دوم 45 سانتی متر. نازل تمیز به نظر میرسه، ساختار داخلی مشکلی نداره. خوبه الان پنل رو باز میکنم. ممنون، اتصالات رو با دقت چک. همه سیما محکمه، اتصال ضرب هم تست کردم. باشه الان پنل رو میبندم.
After centuries of silence, these doors awaken. revealing secrets buried in the sands. Welcome to where missile manufacturing begins, with these massive metal sheets and alloy components. Rows of aluminum steel stretch out, each labeled for the process. Workers check inventory before fabrication begins.
Before the world knows their flight path, their journey begins here in raw materials, under first light.
Unit 7, clear for entry. Every component verified, every bundle tracked, nothing enters unnoticed.
From truck to secure floor, the chain of custody begins. Organized chaos, every sheet, every spar, cataloged for the build ahead. Tolerance is measured in microns. In defense, precision is survival. Carbon fiber, lighter than aluminum, stronger than steel, shaped by skilled hands.
Tracked, traced, secured. Every piece accounted for, every piece prepared.
Raw materials received, inspected, and staged. Phase 1 complete. The build awaits. The threshold crossed. From receiving to production, security tightens. Vertical vaults, where materials sleep, waiting for their call to assembly. Digital guardians watch over every component, every location, every move. The vault releases its treasures on demand for the assembly line.
Batch 47 clear.
Confirmed.
Human hands verify what machines track. Double checks, security, precision. Long corridors, heavy doors, each step deeper into the classified zone. Palm print, key card, clearance code, 3 locks for 1 door.
Batch 47 staged. Staged and ready. Minutes away from becoming more than raw material. Materials received, secured, staged, and delivered. Phase 2 complete, the cutting begins.
The cutting floor where raw material meets precision steel and spinning carbide. Hands that understand tolerance, positioning within thousandths of an inch. The moment of transformation, raw composite becomes airframe component. Through reinforced glass, they watch, trusting code, tools, and training. From raw sheet to wing rib, 1 cycle, 1 component, 1 step closer.
Five millimeters plus or minus 500ths, within spec, within tolerance.
A river of components flowing from cutting to assembly, from precision to purpose. Aluminum screams differently under carbide. Heavier, hotter, equally precise.
Components complete, inspected and staged. Phase 3 finished, assembly awaits.
Heat, pressure, force. Here, metal is not cut, it is convinced.
1600 degrees Celsius. Titanium softens, becomes workable, becomes structure.
Hot load moving, clear the floor.
Suspended, glowing, descending. Metal about to meet its maker.
Pressing now! 3, 2, 1!
4,000 tons, enough to shape titanium like clay, enough to forge the future.
From billet to bulkhead, 90 seconds of pressure, 90 seconds of transformation.
Quenched, cooled, locked, the structure sets, the strength remains.
Within 5,000, confirmed. Green across the board. Laser scan, verified, serialized. Every bulkhead, every batch, every bird.
Forged, inspected, staged, structure waiting for structure. Heat and pressure complete. Forging's ready. Phase 4 finished. Assembly next. The assembly bay where forgings become frames, where components become structure.
Copy. Bringing the titanium cart to jig 1 now. Understood. Prep the jig.
Pins, lasers, clamps. Precision alignment. Zero tolerance. Perfect fit. Rib by rib, spar by spar, wings born from aluminum and air. "40 rivets per minute, skilled hands, trained ears, perfect sets every time." Every rivet inspected, every row recorded. Zero defects fly. Wing complete. Structure, strength, survival, all engineered into every curve. Chemistry meets composite, bonds stronger than the parent material.
Bond line clean. Copy. Bond accepted.
Ultrasonic eyes see what human eyes cannot. Perfect bonds, perfect flight. Subassemblies complete. Fuselage, wings, tail. Phase 5 finished. The main event awaits.
Wing approaching fuselage. Prepare alignment.
The main assembly bay, where the drone becomes more than parts, becomes a weapon system.
Down, hold, contact.
Wing meets fuselage. Seconds of descent, months of engineering, years of reliability.
Torque confirmed.
450 foot-pounds, each fastener, each joint, each guarantee.
Align perfect. Proceed. Copy. Installing temporary fasteners. Confirmed. Gaps are within spec. Proceeding to tail attachment. Tail coming in. Watch the control rods.
Tail joins fuselage. Control surfaces await commands, await flight. Inside the skeleton reinforcements, mounting points, the bones of the beast.
Cycle clean.
Gear down, gear up, tested, proven, ready for runways or rough fields.
Smooth travel.
Surfaces that will bite air, turn shadow into threat, move with pilot's will.
Airframe complete. Structure, strength, surfaces. Phase 6 finished. Systems next.
The electronics bay, clean air, controlled static, where the drone gains its senses.
Hundreds of wires, dozens of connectors, each pathway, each signal, each command. Feeding now, receiving clear.
Through bulkheads, along longerons, the nervous system threads through bone. The brain of the aircraft, processing millions of calculations per second. Inertial navigation, satellite guidance, knowing position within centimeters, anywhere on Earth.
Organized, secured, labeled. In combat, loose wires mean lost aircraft.
Every termination tested, every connection verified. Electricity follows only commanded paths.
Avionics bay complete.
Modules installed, systems ready, lights steady, the drone now has a brain. Systems integrated, brain installed, nerves connected. Phase 7 finished. Precision welding awaits. The robotics bay, where machines weld with precision no human hand can match.
Human teaches, machine learns, every weld, every parameter, every movement memorized.
Blue arc, white heat, perfect bead, machine welding at its finest. Machine inspects machine. Lasers and cameras see what eyes cannot.
Both sides tracking clean.
2 arms, 1 purpose, perfect coordination, machines working as one. Position, weld, rotate, repeat. No joint left unwelded, no angle left unaddressed.
Multi-pass, multi-strength. Engine mounts carry the thrust, carry the mission. Heat treatment, relieving stress, restoring strength, ensuring survival.
Welding complete, moving to finishing.
Robots welded, machines inspected, joints perfected. Phase 8 finished. Finishing next.
The finishing bay, where bare metal becomes protected, where raw becomes ready. Clean to the molecular level, only then does protection begin. Masked, protected, defined, what won't be painted must be perfect without. Epoxy chromate, first defense against corrosion, first layer of protection.
Primer good. 25 microns, no pinholes, perfect coverage, primer passes.
Matte gray, the color of shadow, the color of threat, the color of mission.
Heat cures, chemistry completes, finish hardens. 45 minutes of transformation.
Matte, hard, perfect the finish that will face sand, salt, and sky.
From raw metal to finished shadow, protected, marked, ready. Phase 9 finished. The final test awaits.
Batch 47 entering test phase.
The testing bay, where theory meets reality, where every system faces judgment.
Initiating vibration sweep. Sweep complete, all channels nominal.
Vibrations that would destroy lesser machines this drone barely notices. From desert heat to frozen altitude, 60 degrees of survival, 60 degrees of proof.
Hold.
Release.
4 Gs, 2 meters deflection, 0 deformation. Wings that will not fail. Full functionality confirmed.
Brain tested, senses verified, voice confirmed. The drone is alive and ready.
Batch 47 accepted, ready for dispatch.
One last look, one final signature. Years of work, now ready to fly. Sealed, secured, classified. The journey continues, the mission awaits.
Convoy ready.
From this dock to the world, from factory to field, from build to mission.
And this is how modern defense factories build advanced systems, from raw material to final dispatch, within these classified walls. Subscribe for more real industrial breakdowns.